Hello guys, welcome back to HackerRank 30 Days of Code, Day 6. So today's task is based on the concepts which we have learned so far. The task is, we have been given a string s of length n, which is indexed from 0 to n minus 1, and we have to print the even indexed and the odd indexed characters separated by a space in between. Let's check out sample input. First line contains an integer which denotes the number of test cases which we have to run, and then each line would indicate a string which we have to process. So therefore the number of string inputs would be equal to the number of lines of sample output. So for example, as you can see, the first line here is 2, indicating 2 test cases. First one is hacker, second one is rank, and the output will be of 2 lines in which we have to print the even index plus the odd index, as you can see from the sample out. So let's check out the explanation. As per the test case 0 hacker, the indexed 0, 2 and 4, which denotes H, C and E, are printed first plus a space in between, and then we have printed the odd index string. So our output is as given here, HCE AKR. For the second test case rank, 0, which is denoted by a character R, 2 denoted by N, is printed first, then a space, and then odd index characters A and K. So let's solve the problem. So as you can see guys, here we have to write a complete code from starting by ourselves, and there is no boilerplate code given in this problem. As the name suggests, the problem is the revision of the work we have done till now. So let's start. So guys, we can approach this problem in many ways. My approach will be, first I will take a string and convert it into a character array, and then I will declare two variables of string builder type, one to store even indexes and one to store odd indexes character, and then I will traverse the character array and will store the even index characters in one variable and odd index characters in second variable, and then after the loop is over I will append the even and the odd index variables and print the result. So let's get started. First we'll declare a scanner class to take user input. Then we'll declare a variable, say time, which will store how many times the execution has to be done as per the sample input. I'm writing an extra next line here so that to jump to the next line to take a string input from the user. Then we'll write a loop. This will make sure that it will run the loop only number of times it is given as per the integer value. Now I will take a string input from the user, string str. This will store the index which we have to process. And now I will declare two string builder variable, even str and odd str, to store respective index characters. And now I will declare a character array and convert a string to character array. Now I will write a loop to traverse the character array. Now I will apply the condition and check if x is even or odd. So x modulus 2 is equal to 0. That means it is an even. Then I will append the character to even str variable. Otherwise, if x is odd, I will append the character to odd str variable. And once the complete loop is done, as per the sample output, I need a space after the even characters. So I will append a space here, and then I will append the odd characters. So now even str would hold my final output. Therefore I'll print that, and I'll reduce the value of time by -1. So that's it guys, this is our solution. Let's run it. I have got a compilation error. I've missed a scan here, sorry for that. I will run it again, and I have done a spelling mistake here. So you can see the two test case has been run. Now we'll submit the code, and all the test cases have run successfully. So that's the solution, guys. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video on day 7.